Hello, and welcome to Word Warehouse. In today's lesson, we're going to learn the irregular verb rise. We'll look at its meaning, its three forms, and how native speakers use it in everyday English. Let's get started. Rise means to move upward, to go up or to increase. It can also mean to get up from a chair or from bed. Unlike raise, rise does not take an object. Things rise by themselves. Examples: the sun rises in the east. Prices rise every year. She usually rises early. The temperature is rising. Smoke is rising from the chimney. Water levels are rising after the storm. The sun rose at 6:30 this morning. He rose from his chair to greet us. Food prices rose last month. The cost of living has risen again. She has risen to the top of the company. The sun had already risen when we left. Prices had risen before the new law was introduced. The sun will rise at 6:15 tomorrow. House prices will probably rise next year. If temperatures rise, the ice will melt. Common expressions: the sun rises, prices rise. Temperatures rise, the number rises. The population rises. Someone rises from a chair. Rise to the top. Rise to the challenge. Rise to the occasion. Quick tip: don't confuse rise with arise. Rise means to move upward or increase. Arise means to happen or begin to exist. The sun rises every morning. A problem arose during the meeting. Also, don't confuse rise with raise. Things rise by themselves. People raise something. The sun rises. She raises her hand. There are several words that can be used instead of rise, depending on the meaning. When something moves upward, you can often use go up or move up. When talking about prices, temperatures, or numbers, increase is very common. If someone gets out of bed or stands up, people usually say get up or stand up. Remember that rise is often used in both everyday and formal English, especially when talking about the sun, prices, temperatures, water levels, or people's position and success. Now you know how to use rise, rose, risen. Keep practicing with real examples, and these three forms will soon become easy to remember. See you in the next lesson.